deep in the beauty of nature. A beautiful wild parrot is resting quietly on a tree branch. Surrounded by green leaves and peaceful forest scenery, this little bird looks completely at home in its natural environment. Look at its calm expression and gentle movements. Moments like this remind us how beautiful and peaceful the natural world can be. Wild birds are an important part of our ecosystem. They bring life, color, and balance to our forests and surroundings. So, let's appreciate these beautiful creatures and do our part to protect their natural habitats. If you love beautiful birds, animals, and breathtaking moments from nature, subscribe to Natural Beauty and Animals and stay with us for more amazing videos. Love nature, protect wildlife, and keep our beautiful world green.